Besides the shootings and other crimes at nighttime, why are there so many properties for sale in South Beach below 300K? Is infrastructure outdated beyond repair?
Bro.
What are you looking at that's under 300K, bro?
I'm about to say, like, dude, that's unheard of.
Yeah, I don't know what you might be talking about. Some piece of shit condo, which I would never buy a condo in Miami. By the way, guys,
buildings are due for repair. So definitely speaking, bro, you gonna spend some money.
I'll give y'all some quick game. Do not buy a condo in Miami, bro. Don't fucking do it. The HOA fees alone are going to eat into your cash flow. It's going to destroy you, especially if you try to buy in Brickell. Back in 2018, the cheapest HOA I saw was $500. I don't even want to look right now and see what the HOAs are now.
Here's the biggest problem, right? You'll get locked into a 30-year, fixed rate, which is great. However, that HOA fee, it might be set at a price when you buy it.
Yeah,
bro. If the building needs to repair the roof or they're going to renovate either the pool, jacuzzi, you don't know what it could be. Instantly, that shoots up. Damn, now I'm not making any profit. Guess what? HOA fees fluctuate, and you can't do anything about it.
And you can't do shit about it, bro. You're stuck with that thing.
It's a committee. So once they decide, hey, we're gonna work on this, everyone has to suffer.
Yeah. So yeah, bro. Like it's really like the only people I know, if I'm gonna be all the way 1,000 here, without getting canceled, that buy fucking condos in Miami are like fucking South American drug lords, bro.